Just a little bit of finish work left here. Clean these up a little bit better here. See the difference, especially on this side. Dirt in there. Now, realistically, all the farther we can go, we're limited by the bore of the carburetor here. If the next step you wanted to take would be to fabricate and fit a bigger throated carburetor on there to get more fuel in, that's our limitation here. But we're going to match both of those gaskets, and the carburetor gasket has, where's that? Has a little bit of area here that we can massage just a little bit, just to help. And see how that, try and open that up a little bit, clean it out. Nothing too radical there. There's not much you can do. So we want to optimize what can come into the carburetor and know that everything past it can flow more air than the carburetor can throw fuel without changing our timing too much.